Let's talk about the latest launch Samsung smartphone Galaxy A56 5G with linear design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 87.7% screen-to-body ratio, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 385 ppi pixel density, 1900 nits peak brightness, HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus plus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear, that includes 50 megapixel wide angle main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2, and 5 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 12 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 4K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 7. Screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 6 generations of OS upgrades and up to 6 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.9 GHz single-core Cortex A720 plus 2.6 GHz tri-core Cortex A720 plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cortex A520. Powered by Exynos 1580, 4nm chipset, paired with Xclipse 540 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.2 by 77.5 by 7.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 198 grams, and the color options: awesome pink, awesome light gray, awesome graphite, awesome olive colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP67 dust and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 41,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 41,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 44,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy A56 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.